Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I am CHHUOY again and I will teach you how to slow down any video that you have downloaded from any social media like TikTok or Reel or anything that they make the speed is faster to show you. But today I will take you how to make it slower down and easy to watch for you. For example, just like this video, it's running very fast. Okay, it's very fast. So before you can convert it, you need one program that called Want to See Filmora here. I already download here, and now we just drag it and drop to the Filmora here, just like that. And you see it, the file is 1 minute long, but all of this file is very fast speed. So now I'm gonna move to all the volume here, and you will see all the file is running normal, but the speed is very fast. So to do that, you need to okay, drag it on like this to keep your original audio, and right click on that, and you will see speed. Here's speed and duration. So now I'm gonna drag like this. If you want to be slower down, you can drag it like this, okay, and then click OK. And now gonna check it out. Okay, it's too much slower, so you need to be more increasing speed up by doing the same thing, and select the speed and duration again, and you need to increase it to be 50 or 1.0. It is depending on you think you are working fine, and you can also tie it in 1.0 and hit enter just like that. And now the speed is going up again, and now I'm gonna choose one more thing. Gonna choose one more thing again by okay. Now we're gonna drag it, or you put it to 50%, 0.50, and then click OK. That is enough. And you can also drag it like this, more slower, just like that. Okay, and you can also edit more by doing the same, but click on the video icons, not an audio icons. So you need to put it to 40. Okay. Okay, it's perfect now. And now you can export it to any format that you want to do by click on that, and here's the file that you want to convert, like MP4, AVI, a movie, or anything that you think you want to be that format. So the places you can give it the names that you want to. Now I'm gonna use faster to slow. Okay, just give the name like that. Faster to slow. And this setting is you need to choose 30 frames per second and click OK, and it is all. Now you click on export, and you can also choose the destination folder that you want to do. So I think this video is enough for you. I don't need to export to show you. So thank you for watching this video.